Army in America, CBS's people, and
authorities have issued a required monthly test for Amelia VA, Caroline VA, Charles City VA, Chesterfield VA, Dinwiddie VA, Essex VA, Gloucester VA, Greensville VA, Hanover VA, Henryville VA, King and Queen VA, King William VA, Lancaster VA, Louisa VA, Middlesex VA, New Kent VA, Northumberland VA, Powhatan VA, Prince George VA, Richmond VA, Sussex VA, Westmoreland VA, Colonial Heights VA, Emporia VA, Hopewell VA, Petersburg VA, and Richmond VA, beginning at 1:15 a.m. and ending at 2:15 a.m. A required monthly test has been issued for Amelia County, Caroline County, Charles City County, Chesterfield County, the City of Colonial Heights, Dinwiddie County, the City of Emporia, Essex County, Gloucester County, Greensville County, Hanover County, Henryville County, the City of Hopewell, King William County, King and Queen County, Lancaster County, Louisa County, Middlesex County, New Kent County, Northumberland County, the City of Petersburg, Powhatan County, Prince George County, the City of Richmond, Richmond County, Sussex County, and Westmoreland County. Tune to your local TV or radio station.
Is there